All right, and welcome. Today we're going to go over the different parts of a check and how to fill it out. So start off right here at the top. Your name should be here and your address should be here. If you need the check number, that's right here up in this corner. Then we got your date here. Then pay to the order of, so whoever you're making the check out to. This is going to Don Johnson. Then $600 right there. Then really important part, this is a security feature, is you have to spell out the amount you want here. And you want to try to fill this in as much as possible. That way somebody can't just change this. You know, I could make this 1600 or 2600 just by adding a number there. So really important to fill this out, and you spell it out like $600.00, or you'd say $632.42, you know. So make sure you fill that out as much as possible. Then your bank's name is right here. Then there's a line here for what you are paying for, car or rent. Then over here we got our routing number. That's your bank's number. That's how they know where to send the check to. Then they have the account number. So your personal account number is right there. It's kind of like if you lived in an apartment building, you know, this would be the building number, this would be your apartment number, this would be your bank's number, this is your number within the bank. Then you sign it here. You know, sign this out to DMX, but you know, put your signature there to make it official. And that's that. If you are receiving a check and you fill out the back, you just sign your name there to endorse it that you are receiving a check. So that's it. That's how you fill it out. All your information should be up there and correct. Fill out the name, the amount, routing number, check number, and that's it. That's how you fill out a check. Thanks for joining me. Like, share, and subscribe.